So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to splice text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up, I'm going to go ahead here to the left hand side and add some text to my design. I'll just type in the word splice in all capitals and it'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So once that is done and you have some text that you want to add the splice effect to, press on the text, go to the top, press on effects right here, then go to the left hand side and where it says splice right here in between hollow and outline, press on that. Now with splice text, you can go and change the thickness, making it more thick or more thin. You can change the offset of the direction right here if you want, and the direction of where this exactly is being affected. You can also change the color of the splice. So if you wanted to make it, black for instance, or red or whatever, it's right in front of you. You can play around with it, but it's fairly straightforward, fairly simple. That is how to add the splice effect or how to splice text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.